This is DJ Neuenberger.
Spidey.
J Tran.
Big Taco.
This is Related Raps.
Numero Seis.
The first, we remember DJ Neuenberger. May he rest in peace. This is Inference and Regression Stat Session.
No más Numero Seis.
We are Numero 4.5.
Statistical, linear regression. Put a hat on the y to make it a predicted equation. I cannot modify or ratify the linear regression line. Find where the x lies using y equals b plus ax, my guy. Remember that a is the slope and b is the intercept, but using predicted data may be incorrect. Using real data, find the residuals, then make a stat plot to make a visual. Use R to quantify and identify the correlation of the line, square for the variation of the y, accounted for by the x, just to simplify. Now let's talk about the association of scatter plots, defined by form, strength, and direction of the dots. Lurking variables may be realigning, data that should be supervising. Don't forget about an outlier or influential point. Even leverage can cause disjoint. Keep that in mind and keep it on point to make sure your data doesn't get yoinked. Finding data invoked and woke up high residuals that break the condition. My data must be straight enough, now time to use cognition. The type of re-expression needed is unclear, but with the faith of a good p-value c-size must succeed here. For I'll search for the correct expression as they trusted me. Only the ladder of powers might just keep me in reality. I couldn't stand to see another residual not placed randomly. Exalt, glorify. Finally learned the proper way to fortify my data, and that's not a lie. I used to hide, now I'm filled with pride. Now I can finally go and play outside, yeah.
I was lost in my stats class, like Simba after the death of Mufasa. No hog, no meerkat, I had to stay in Mikasa. I spent my nighttime fighting tears back. I prayed and prayed with high hopes to obtain what I lack. But it turned around, a rap was all I needed to stand my ground. I mathed it out, gently and made a rebound. The path I take to reach my goals are in sight. I'm so far down path, I couldn't fail if I try with all my might. Call me All Might, I'm in flight, everything's gonna be alright.
From data and sight, we search for the hypothesis with our knowledge and might. Cite the conditions, are they right? Write the correct test, be precise. I go on the TI, it's always right. 2 prompt means Z-test is what I apply. P level greater than 0.05, the null hypothesis is not nullified, the HA cannot be verified. A type 1 error may be in sight, use a higher alpha or sample size. Find the margin of error and critical value from the confidence interval available to you. Now to analyze this interval, you must be vigilant. If it contains negative numbers, it's not statistically significant.